Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your email address on X, formerly Twitter. So what you need to do is head over to settings and support down here. Head over to settings and privacy. I know I'm going too fast, but just follow here. Account information, as you can see here, it says email address. And now it's going to ask you to log in your password because you cannot change anything unless you have your password. And you'll see here the email that I use for my account. You just need to click on this and then you'll have the button here that says update email address. But for my account, I did something really bad, so I can't make any changes. But for you, if you haven't done anything bad to your account, like doing something suspicious that Twitter may try to suspend or put up its like walls, then it should be fine. You should be able to use the update email address button fairly easily. That is how you change your email on X. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye!